If you want to become fluent in English language, you have to learn basic English grammar. Welcome to all. I have designed this course to make you fluent in English language. In today's world, everyone wants to write and speak fluent English. For this sake, you have to understand English grammar because English language based upon the rules and regulations of English grammar. In English language, first of all comes parts of speech. Now, what are parts of speech? Parts of speech are the essential elements and basic ingredients of English language. Without knowing their correct usage, you cannot speak and write correct English. There are 8 parts of speech and each perform a different function within a sentence. These are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or an idea. For example, person or animal, boy, girl, Qasim, Seema, cat, monkey. Place, America, Pakistan, India. Thing, book, tree, wall, apple, or idea, freedom, honesty, anger. So, anything which has a name is called noun. Pronoun. A word which is used instead of a noun is called pronoun. For example, he, she, it, I, we, you, they. Sophie is a good girl. She helps me in homework. Here, the word she is used as a pronoun because in a sentence we cannot use the name of the person again and again. So, we used pronoun instead of a noun according to the gender. Next is adjective. An adjective describes the quality of a noun or pronoun. For example, tall, short, beautiful, huge, old. Sarah has a huge house. So here the word huge is describing the quality of the house, which is huge. Next is verb, a word that tells something about the action, experience, and state of a person or thing is called verb. For example, kick, eat, laugh, sleep. The baby sleeps. Here the word sleeps is describing the action of the baby or what the baby is doing right now. Adverb. A word which describes the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb is called adverb. For example, quickly, very, clearly. Sobia runs quickly. Here the word quickly is describing a verb runs. How Sobia runs? Quickly. Preposition. A word placed before a noun or a pronoun which describes the relation of a noun with something else is called preposition. To, in, above, of. The cow is in the field. Here the word in is describing the relation between two nouns, the cow and the field. Where is the cow? In the field. Conjunction. A word which joins words, sentences, and phrases is called conjunction. For example, and but also because the man is poor but he is honest. Here the word but is joining two sentences. Interjection. It expresses strong emotions and feelings. For example, happiness, sadness, excitement. And for these extreme emotions we use such kind of words. Hurrah, alas, hurrah, we have won the match. Here the word hurrah is describing the happiness of the person. Thank you so much for watching my video.